Hi, this is Mark Tossell from Visioneer 360, and welcome to the fourth video in our series of training and instruction for users of Einstein Analytics. This is not geared towards Einstein administrators. This is for those of you who are business users of Einstein Analytics and you use it in your work from day to day. What I want to look at today is a subject that could go on literally for hours, but I want to give you a very quick taste, a brief overview from a high level around how to create a personal dashboard for your own use. Whether or not you should or can do this will depend on the permissions within Einstein Analytics that your organization has assigned, and also it will depend on your own internal protocols and governance around the management of your analytics. But let's assume that you do have the ability and the permission to create a simple dashboard for your own use. So we want to go into Einstein Analytics. So let's go into our launcher. Let's open it up. And we're going to go in here into an existing dashboard, our segmentation dashboard. And what I want to do, I want to get a little bit more information around these top 10 donors by average gift. And if you've watched my earlier videos, you know how we can explore this here. So let's explore that. Now I want to actually create a couple of different views of this and save it to a dashboard. So I've got my lens here. Again, if you refer to earlier videos, but what I want to do, go back into my home page. I'm going to go into my apps. So I'm going to select all items and apps. I want to save this for my own private use. So let's go into my private app. Let's hit that create button. Let's select dashboard. Let's choose for now a blank dashboard. There's a number of templates that you could use. And again, this is designed to be very simple. Before we go any further, let's just call this my segmentation dashboard. Obviously, just name it and put your description in here wherever you see fit. Make sure it's in the private app. And we've saved that. So now let's go back to the tab where we had saved our lens. And I want to take this lens that I've created from the other segmentation dashboard. And I actually want to put this on the page of a dashboard. So I'm going to call this Donors 1. And this clip button here enables me to save it to the designer. Let's go here to my dashboard. On the right hand side, you will see the copy of the lens that I created, which is the query with the visualization. We just simply drag that across and we can select the handles and enlarge it. And what I want to do, I'm going to go back and close this now. I'm going to select a different chart on this dashboard. This one is more of a, let's select a timeline. So let's go in here, let's explore. Okay, let's also clip this to my new dashboard that I'm designing. I'll type in my title, my label, I'll click to designer. Now when I go back to my segmentation dashboard, on the right hand side there is that timeline that I've clipped across. Let's put that there. Let's drag it, make it larger. And actually, in actual fact, I've already created a dashboard. Now there's an awful lot that could be done at this point, but I want to go in and I want to make some changes. So I'm going to select the widget or the chart on the left hand side. And let's say I want to change the chart types. Let's go in here. I want to change that to a column. That looks good. And I want to add a title. So let's call this top donors. Hopefully you're a better typist than I am. Let's make that a little bit larger. Let's select this widget here. And I'm quite pleased with the visualization, but I want to change the title of it. So let's go in here and call this, just for argument's sake, let's say that is timeline of donations. And let's enlarge that also. I can go over here. I can select my text widget. I can drag that across and I can give my dashboard a title. And let's call this my segmentation dashboard. And let's go to our style. Let's make that quite large. Let's say 20. We want to put that center, and the color's fine. Let's go ahead and save that. And now if I wish, I could continue to add more widgets to this dashboard. I could create some from scratch. I could grab them from the other dashboard. I could get different views. I could take, for example, this one here. I could clone that. And if I wanted to, I could change again. I could change the chart type. Maybe I want to make that a line chart, whatever the case may be. Again, just a starting point for you there. You can save that. If you're interested in more information, much more detail about creating a dashboard, if you reach out to me through LinkedIn or Twitter, I can share a link for you. If we come back in here into My Private App, under dashboards, if you want to come to this later, you just select, I'll show you that. We just select here My Segmentation Dashboard, and there it is. And then you can also share that as need be. So just a quick overview of creating a dashboard. Again, there's a lot more information that can be shared around that, and there's a fair bit online already pertaining to that, which I'd be happy to share with you if you reach out. I hope that was good as just a bit of an introduction. And again, if it fits with your business protocols and governance, I'd encourage you to have a stab at that and create your own personal dashboard. I hope that was helpful. Thank you, and have a great day.